What's going on, guys? I want to show you guys my SpeedTech lights that I installed on a tow truck here, and let's start off with the surface mounts. I put these surface mounts, I gotta put some lume in there. I just kind of wired them up and still gotta put the lume. I just got them all set up. Look pretty nice. I just put them on zip tie because it's gonna be kind of temporary. I'm gonna be taking them off like if I go to a different truck or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like during the day and what they look like during the night, so you can see. Maybe you want to buy them. I'll put them in the link in the description. These are like the older models, so they're like half the price of the current model because you can only have like one function. Either you can have them turn them on or turn them off. That's it. And they have steady burn. But they have multicolor function. They have different colors that they can do. But if you get the newer model, you can isolate the different colors. So like if you were, let's just say for example, if they were red and blue, you could have them have only red. And then you could hit another switch and it could be only blue or red and blue, or if you want to switch it and it could be only red. But this one is just only on, pretty much on or off. And I also have the Virtue 8 up there in the middle, and that one's pretty sick. I'll show you that one. Up in the top are Amazon lights, but they're pretty cool. I still use them anyway. So I'll show you right now. We'll turn them on during the day, and I'll show you what they look like during the night. Just get a quick close up. Like I said, I got everything all wired, but I got to put lume around there and everything like that. I got the lume. I just gonna do it tomorrow when the sun comes out. The sun's going down now, so I'll be able to show you guys at night what it looks like. But yeah, they're different colors. I'm gonna show you right now what the colors are. And then the Virtue 8 is also has 3 different colors on it. It's pretty awesome. But I'll show you right now. Let's get it started. So yeah, this is the control box that comes with the SpeedTech lights. It comes with a lot of wiring. I got to do all this wire management later, but I kind of just set it up to test it out, you know. And plus, I'm going to be moving to a different truck, so I got to be ready to just kind of grab everything and fix it. This is my personal stuff. It's not staying, you know, on the truck or anything. So yeah, this is the Amazon controller, and that's the SpeedTech controller. Pretty much, I just have it wired just to work, you know. Has a traffic advisor function, and you have mode 1 and mode 2. This was on clearance as well. The Virtue 8 was on clearance on SpeedTech lights, but this one does have the 2-color memory. So for example, on mode 1 I have it set to, as you can see here, well, you can't see, but I'm gonna get out right now. On mode 1, as you can see, it's just amber only. It looks pretty good. What I'll do is I'm gonna turn everything on in a second, and then I'm gonna go like further down the road there, and so you can see how it looks from down there. So, but that's the amber only, and it's pretty bright, as you can see. The sun is still out. It's a bright day. So let's go to mode 2, see what that is. Before I hit mode 2, I just want to show you on the bottom here. You can speed up the flash pattern to make it flash even faster. But I'm just gonna keep it on regular mode for now. Just go to mode 2, and we're going to hit the auxiliary button. I have the surface mounts in the grill set up to go to the auxiliary, and it was really easy with the SpeedTech because there's actually wires already here coming out that you can actually connect to and have it go right to auxiliary, and boom, let's go check it out. So yeah, the surface mounts I have in alternative sync mode, and they're all synchronized alternatively, so that's why they're flashing back and forth like that in an X pattern. I wanted to set it up in an X pattern. And up top you can see that one's just one of the flash patterns that it comes with. And it's the old model, so it has the old flash patterns. The new model has different flash patterns in it. So I'm kind of farther away. As you can see, it looks pretty good from over here. I'm kind of at an offset angle too. So I'm going to walk back a little bit further and see how it looks. I can't really get much farther away because I'm all the way by the road, but as you can see from, I don't know, I would say I'm about, I don't know how, I'm not good at distance, but still pretty good from over here. So I'm going to show you some clips of this lighting package on this truck during the day, and then we're going to show you some what it looks like at night. feeling like, oh, I just need a comment. Alright guys, it's nighttime now, and let's go ahead and turn the lights on at night and see how the difference is. If you definitely saw how bright they are during the day, let's check out how bright they are right now. Alright, so the night light, just so you guys know, I'm going to turn the other Amazon lights off. And at nighttime there's a button here, you could turn it on, you could wire it so that it automatically goes on with the ignition. So that way you can see this good at night. So let's go ahead and turn it back on, turn this one back on, and let's see what it looks like on the outside. So again, the two steady burning lights on the corners are not Speed Tech lights, but you can definitely see that green definitely pierces through at night. Let's take a walk a little further down and see if we can see how bright they are from a little bit of a distance. So because of where I parked, I'm not able to get really far, but as you can see, pretty bright. So yeah, there's the X pattern on the surface mounts. I love that X pattern. I wish that there was more options for the flash patterns for that X pattern, but definitely the alternative sync. I went with those, with that pattern on there. A lot of different options you can go with. Plenty of different flash patterns, color options. I'm talking about the surface mounts anyway. So yeah, I just thought I'd go through a couple of the things real quick about this. We'll go back to amber only, and if you hold down the flash pattern for 2 seconds, I think, yeah, it'll go to steady burn. I'm gonna turn off the auxiliary, and so I'll just go through a couple of the flash patterns real quick. So I guess it's gonna start on there. It's gonna go amber green. I'll just flip through a few of these real quick and let you guys check them out. And again, it has like a little switch that you can make the flash pattern go a little bit faster or slower. Basically, this light bar is all amber and then half green and half white. So you have the option of having it all amber, flash all amber, have it flash amber and green and white, or just green and white. So right now I'm going through all the different flash patterns for both of the colors. It's going to have amber, green, and white all flashing together. Once it goes through all those, now it's going to go to, it's still going through a lot of flash patterns. Look at that one. Still going. Still on green and amber. It's got the California steady burn style stuff. See, now it's on green and amber only. You can sit here and go through all these again. I mean, you can sit here and go through all these. There's a lot of flash patterns, but basically now it's going to do green and white only, rather. Green and clear is going to be only. It's going to go to amber only. So my mode 1 is amber only, and then we went all the way around, so I'm going to just hit. That's the flash pattern I have. No, that's not it. Yeah, I'm going to set that for the amber only. And then my mode 2 will have set to that. So yeah, if you power it off, see, this is the power button. If you have it powered off, you can still turn the auxiliaries on. but you won't be able to do the mode 1 and mode 2. One quick thing is you do have traffic advisor, because it's made to be on the rear of the vehicle. So, and you could do that, again, it has multiple options. You could do it with any of the different colors. All amber, amber and green, amber and clear. And again, you know, you have left and you have right. So for example, for the center out, if I hit pattern, it'll, same thing. It's going to go through all the amber ones. Then it's going to go through the amber and green. Different options. Now it's on green only. That's the center out. So I'm going to leave it on amber only. So yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. If you want to check out more about these lights, check out the description. I have links to this lights and the models. And I have a very special coupon code in the description for all the SpeedTech lights. If you're interested in those other Amazon lights that you see on the top corner of my truck, I'll put a link to those in the description too. Those are a little cheaper, but me and a couple of friends bought those because those are the brightest lights that we can find on Amazon for the best price to save some money. But definitely SpeedTech is definitely going to save you some money as opposed to the really big manufacturers of lights. But definitely worth checking out SpeedTech. They have a lot of different products. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. I am planning on getting some more lights, so I'll be making a second video later on. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.